And I'll keep, these are all some study notes. I'll just quickly recap in different language so that it penetrates into your bloods and nerves, okay? So why lean? Because we constantly add value to the customer, and customer wants only PQCD, and with PQCD you can reach GPS, okay? And then how fast do you want the delivery? As fast as you can. How low you can give the price? As low as possible, right? So if you do it fast, then you will become economical. Empower the employees, everyone participate. And why do we do lean? Because employees will make their work atmosphere better. Big changes can be made easily, and the culture of continuous improvement is cultivated. Okay, so welcome to lean. So some of the definitions: lean is about creating most value for the customer while minimizing the resources, time, and energy. Just because we are creating value, we are not going to spend excess resources like time, energy, and effort. This is the formula: enhance customer value by reducing waste. Okay, let me show that once again, right? Okay, this sort of effects where there seems to be some shadow, right? Okay, what is lean? Okay, objective, attractive. Lean management is a philosophy based on Toyota production systems. Eliminate everything that does not add value in the customer eyes. This is just a recap, okay? This is objective. Focus and scope. Value stream as a primary unit work. I mean, it has been found that instead of concentrating on all the products, you group them into families. Okay, it was Toyota, okay? Toyota production system. Motorola is Six Sigma, and Toyota is lean. Value stream as a piece of work focused on improving process performance and clear view of the end state. So we need to have the future state of value stream very, very clear. Okay, and then you start designing from current state, transitioning from the current state to the future state. That is the focus and scope. And approach and tools. Learning by doing approach for performance improvement and capability building. Yeah, please, just in time, Kanban, cellular manufacturing, value stream. Okay. And on, let's see what all the tools that we have. SMED, great. TPM, OE comes as a part of TPM, Haijunka, Hoshin Country, okay. Standard work, 5S. So lean is both a business operating philosophy, a set of proven tools and solutions is what you're seeing here, VSM, FMEA. See, anything that will help you eliminate waste, reduce variation, add value to the customer, all that comes under set of lean tools, right? Proven set of tools and solutions that accelerate speed and reduce cost from all business processes by removing waste. So lean is a set of proven tools and solutions that accelerate speed. Speed means speed of what? Speed of the material movement towards customer. And reduces cost of all business processes by removing waste. So lean focus on customer. Now value is defined by the customer, because in the definition of value, we have seen 3 conditions. What are the 3 conditions that you call it as value adding? Okay, value is defined by the customer, and all the activities are aligned to provide maximum value to the customer. So principles of lean: define value through the eyes of the customer, understand the value stream, make people, these are all study notes, okay? This is from Lean Thinking book, some important points I'm showing. I request you to study this book, Lean Thinking. People, information, material flow through the process, respect people, their creativity and contributions, deliver what customer wants, when and where they need it, just in time concept, right? And then seek entitlement quality, which means quality at source. This must be by hearted, okay? 5 steps of lean. First, identify value. So how do you identify value? know what the customer wants, and then map the value stream. We will talk about value stream mapping. In identify value voice of the customer and then map the value stream. We'll be talking about value stream mapping. Then create flow. How to ensure that we find out the sources of roadblocks. We find out, how do you know why is the material not flowing? Always keep asking the question. Information can be an issue. Decisions can be an issue. There can be many things, a list of things that could be an issue, okay, in creating this flow. Then establish the pull. Establish the pull means make only what is required and eventually flow and seek perfection. Rome was not built in a day. We must keep on perfecting this and rolling this cycle through. Okay, so these are the 5 principles of Lean. You may not comprehend this in entirety. Don't worry about this. What is value? Then how to do the value stream mapping? Then how to create flow? What are the tools to create the flow, like Kanban, supermarkets, and pull systems? And then seeking perfection. How do you continuously improve in this? All that will be clear throughout the course, okay? So let's start with the external scenario, okay? There is a marketplace. The customer-facing processes. What are the customer-facing processes? Marketing is a customer-facing process. I've just put some indicative processes, okay? You can add more depending, because in this different industries, there are plus or minus different processes in the customer-facing process. Okay, BPO industry is different. ITES, all that is different. Telecom is different. Okay, so generally in healthcare, all that. So generally we have marketing, sales, distribution, pricing or ordering, billing, collection, customer service, and all that. Okay, now there is a customer interface that is constantly happening. Then from the marketplace, the market requirements are given to product or processes. Okay, they are converted into marketing requirements, are converted into product and process, where there is a design, development, manufacturing, supply chain, and all that. This is only a indicative model, okay, that I'm putting just for understanding the entire business process. So in the enterprise process, you see planning function, financial function, HR, maybe training, development, IT, data management, legal, EHS. You can add to this also. Okay, this is just a... Okay, now this is what is. There are significant opportunities of Lean in each of these areas. That's why we do what is called process flow activity mapping. Process flow activity mapping is not only in the areas of manufacturing, but also in transactional process. Each and every activities can be identified and try to. So generally, let's also discuss about the observed industry results using Lean. Okay. This is also a study notes, but I'm just quickly covering the study notes. You are supposed to read it and internalize it. Okay. Implementing Lean will lead to step change performance improvements. Generally, if you in your organization definitely can get 20 to 40% productivity improvement across all value streams, and 20 to 70% reduction in inventories also, and improving yields, quality 5 to 20% by reducing batch sizes, product availability above 95% stock, and 95 to 99 on time and full to make orders and stuff like that. All right. Okay, characteristic of the Lean process, one is flow. Always remember this, okay? Flow is a very important name in the Lean process. The process is run as continuously as possible, with rapid cycle time and little or no waste. There is Muda. So flow is very important. Standard work is very important. What is standard work? The best way of doing particular work should be made as a standard. OTIF is on time in full. FIFO means first in, first out. Okay. So the precise standard work is the best way of doing a particular work, the best known way. Okay. The precise description of each work activity, specifying cycle time, tag time, and all that. Okay. Least waste way. Standard work is also the least waste way of performing a task. So flow and standard work is two important components. People who are here for the first time, please take these two good notes. In lean processes, the two main characteristics are this, and we should achieve flow and standard work through elimination of waste. We will see how. MUDA is waste, is non-value adding activity, that any activity which that consumes resources without creating value for the customer. Okay, normally my slides doesn't have much of words, but since it's a study notes, I thought I'll put in some important things from the book. Okay, because many of us do not have time to study from the book.